Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is amedepeculiar, and in today's video I will be showing you guys the simple way I use in maintaining my brow arc and basically keeping them in shape. So if you are a beginner who does not know how to shape in or carve your brows, well, this video is completely for you, and I'm going to show you guys the simple way I use in maintaining my brows. So as to see already, I'm going over with a new razor blade and a brush. You can get this brush from your eyeliner brush, or you can get this from, or you can use basically a normal basic toothbrush, so that can do the job. So you have to use a new razor blade, guys, to give you the sharp effect. So all you want to do is to take your brush and brush out the hairs up. You brush them up and brush them down. So after brushing them up, you use your razor to take out the excesses. As you can see by this look, it's already giving us that look. So and I'm going to go over to brush them down again. Brush down the hairs down gently and take out the excesses. So I'm just going over taking out excesses here. After brushing them down, you have to make sure you brush them up to pull out the excess strands of hair, and brush them down to pull out the excess strands of hair downwards. So I'm just going over to maintaining a clean line. As you can see, you have to take your time, guys, in doing this process. Take your absolute time, because you want to have this flawless line and straight effect line. So you have to take your time. It might take a while, or it might even take as if it's not working, or you're not picking out enough hair. You really don't need to pick out so much as per you're carving your brows, and if you take out excesses, it's going to alter the look and all that. So just take your time, be patient with yourself, and pull out little strands of hair gently to have a clear line at the bottom of your brow. Okay guys, so I'm going over to carve the front of my brows to give it a well-defined look, because I don't want excess hairs to remain by the sides. And also I went over to trim out excess hair up. As you can see, pull out excess hair off, and then use my razor to maintain a perfect line to give it a well-defined shape. So you have to be very careful when it comes to doing this. You have to take your absolute time, guys. Take your complete time, because the fact that you're using a new razor blade, you have to be extra careful. So I'm just going over to trim, to brush up my hairlines and see if I have more excess hairs that needs to be trimmed out, depending on the direction I want it to go. So it's already looking quite different from the other one. So we're going to repeat the same process on the other side of the brow, and you're just going to go ahead to brush up hairs and trim out the excess parts you want to trim out. Don't forget to also bring down some hairs down. Don't forget to brush them down and brush them off, because that's the trick of this. Yes, that's just a trick of it, of carving your brows. You have to maintain the size, bring them down and up, and that way you have a perfect look already. So just try this at home. Take your time again once more. I've been saying this because this is key. I don't want you to have cuts on your eyebrows and all that. You have to be super careful with this, okay? So trim out all the excesses as much as you can, as much as you wish to, and then you are already having a perfect look already. Okay guys, so at this point I was already feeling like my brows are not so equal. I don't know if this is what I just using consoling myself, but most times it is actually very impossible to get a perfect defined two brows alike completely. I don't think it's ever possible because but although some professionals could have your brows carved out and shaped completely equal, but here I was just trying to adjust it to see how we can make it equal and more suitable to look like the other one. So take your time again. Okay guys, this is what it's looking like. I'm just going over to brush again to see if we have excesses that needs to be trimmed out. And yes, this is what our brows are looking like. If this is your first time of seeing this face, please I hope you stay, subscribe, join the family. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do well to let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you have a more defined way, a more detailed way, let me know. And yes, I'm going to see you in my next video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.